Hello everyone, Andarki Namaskaram. Welcome to Mugdha Art Studio. Hope you all are doing good, Andy. So this is Preeti Singh Rajput here. So I am here with a beautiful Kanchi Pattu collection today. You can see I'm wearing a very beautiful and the very first sari from Kanchi Pattu collection. It's a beautiful dusk grey color sari, Andy, and we have this creeper motifs and we have beautiful prints also. So these prints are actually designed especially by Sashi Ma'am Andy. So you can see the flower prints, golden prints, leaf prints on these Kanchi Pattu saris now. And we have a beautiful golden border, golden zari border. We also have zari work on the sari, Andy. And this is the pallu. We have golden zari work on the pallu. And blouse వచ్చేసి ఇలా ఇచ్చారు. And the price for this Kanchi Pattu sari is 28,500. So Kanchi Pattu sari lo beautiful prints ఇచ్చారు. So that is specially designed by Sashi Ma'am. So let me show you the saris which are on display now. This is a beautiful magenta pink color sari, Andy. So we have these beautiful prints chudandi. So these are specially designed by Sashi Ma'am. And we have golden zari lo mango motifs, Andy. And we have this golden zari border. So this is the size of the border, Andy. Beautiful golden zari border. 18,500 is the price for this sari, Andy. You can see these beautiful yellow prints and creeper motifs icharu. And this is our next sari, beautiful darker shade of sky blue color. And look at these beautiful prints, specially designed by our Sashi Ma'am, Andy. We have golden prints as well. So beautiful leaves and pink color flower prints, Andy. All over the sari we have these beautiful prints, and this is the border. So this big is the border, Andy. We have elephant motifs and peacock motifs made of golden zari work, Andy. So all over the sari we have these beautiful prints. And this is our next sari in beautiful hot pink color. So we have golden prints here. So these are the prints designed by Sashi Ma'am, Andy. You can see these beautiful leaf motifs and flower prints. And golden zari work lo chinna flower motifs kuda icharu. And this big is the border, Andy. And we have these peacock motifs and small diamond motifs made of golden zari work. This is our next saree in beautiful grey color andi, and we have golden zari work, peacock motifs lo icharu, and these are the beautiful prints given by our Sashi ma'am. You can see pink color flower prints and black color flower prints andi. So we have these beautiful prints designed all over the saree, and we have a green color border, golden zari work on it. So these are beautiful Kanchipattu collections andi. So let me show you some more beautiful sarees from Kanchipattu collection now. So this is our next saree in red color. So చూస్తున్నారు కదా, we have these floral prints అన్నమాట. కంప్లీట్ సారీలో ఫ్లోరల్ ప్రింట్స్ ఇచ్చారు, and peacock motifs ఇచ్చారు, which is of golden zari work. And border వచ్చేసి small borders అండి on both the sides, and it's in yellow color, and we have peacock motifs made of golden zari work on the border. And pallu, this is how it is. We have this beautiful pallu andi, and the blouse is in yellow color with a small border. So the price for this Kanchipattu saree so these are all really beautiful color combinations andi, and the range is starting from 16,000, 15,500 నుంచి 32,000 వరకు ఉంది. So this is 15,500. నెక్స్ట్ సారీ చూద్దాం. This is a beautiful peach color saree andi, and look at these beautiful floral prints all over the saree. So these are specially designed by Sashi ma'am andi. We have green color leaf prints and beautiful floral prints, and two small borders on both the sides. These Kanchipattu sarees are looking very unique andi because of these beautiful design which Sashi ma'am has created, and this is the pallu. And blouse వచ్చేసి it is like this. We have silver zari work andi on the border and a violet color blouse. So next saree, this is in beautiful yellow color, and wow, look at these beautiful prints andi. These are specially designed by my Sashi ma'am. We have these beautiful colors, green color leaf with charu. We have these violet color flowers here, and we also have golden work, golden prints on it. And these are golden zari work andi. Leaf motifs lo golden zari work kuda untundi. And we have a violet color border. Border వచ్చేసి కాపర్ జరీ ఇచ్చారండి. This is a big border, like 4-inch border, కాపర్ జరీ ఇచ్చారు, and this is the pallu. We have copper zari work here as well. Beautiful design andi, and this is the blouse. Blouse with copper zari border. So next saree in beautiful green color. So you can see a different floral prints on this saree created by our Sashi ma'am. So this is specially designed by Sashi ma'am andi. Very beautiful prints. We also have peacock motifs. So ఇది వచ్చేసి కాపర్ జరీలో చేశారు peacock motifs. And we have yellow color border, green and yellow, beautiful combination. And we have beautiful peacock motifs andi on the border, copper zari lo. Small borders on both the sides. And this is the pallu. You can see copper zari work on the pallu as well. And blouse is in this yellow color blouse with copper zari border. And the price for this saree is 15,500. Here goes our next saree in beautiful violet color. Look at these prints, and we have beautiful bird motifs. So these are specially designed by our Sashi ma'am andi. And peacock motifs to golden zari work lo icharu. We have a maroon color border. And we have copper zari work on the border, and this is the pallu. And blouse is like this. And the price for this one is 15,500. So I'm showing you the range from 15,500 to 32,500 range, okay? So let me show you the next one. So look at this beautiful saree. It's a very colorful, unique pattern adi. Ikkada manki border ledu, and we have these prints on it. Green color, pink color, green leaves and pink floral prints on it. It's a silver color saree andi. So this is a tissue floral saree. And the pallu is like this. And the blouse, wow, this is the beautiful blouse. Silver color lo icharu. And coming to the price, so the price for this saree is 17,500. I repeat, it's 17,500. So here goes our next tissue floral in beautiful pink color, and we have these beautiful prints and golden prints kuda chesi icharu, and leaf prints kuda chesaru. And we have golden and silver zari work lo small floral motifs andi. You can see the stripe lo ikkada nunchi ikkada varaku icharu, chinna floral motifs. And we don't have a border. And this is the pallu. Beautiful pallu andi. Violet color lo icharu. And this is the blouse. This is how the blouse is. And the price? The price for this saree is 19,500. 19,500 is the price. Next saree in beautiful cream color andi. Cream color kanchipattu with beautiful floral prints. So pink color flowers icharu, green color leaves icharu. So it's a plain kanchipattu. So these designs have been really popping out beautifully. And golden prints kuda icharu. You see the details, and you have a small border this side and a big border this side. We have this beautiful golden zari work on the border. And this goes the pallu. And the blouse is like this. Cream color blouse with big border. It's a beautiful blouse, Andy. And the price for this sari is 28,500. 28,500 is the price. So next sari chudam. So this is a green color sari. Beautiful floral prints and golden prints as well on these flowers. And a pink color contrast border. So this side we have a small border and each side manaki big border icharu. And we have these beautiful golden zari work on the border. So we have these beautiful golden zari on the border. And this is the pallu. We have golden zari work on the pallu as well. So the blouse is like this. We have this beautiful pink color blouse underneath with big border. Green with pink is a beautiful combination underneath. And the price for this saree is 24,500. 24,500 is the price. So let's check the next one. This is our next Kanchipattu saree. This is beautiful yellow color saree. We have these flower prints and golden prints as well on it. And we have a brown color border. Very beautiful color combination, Andy. And this goes the pallu. And we have golden zari work on the borders. And this is the blouse. Beautiful red color blouse icharu with a big border. And the price for this saree is 32,500. So I'm moving on to the next saree. This is a beautiful yellow color saree. Look at these beautiful floral prints, Andy. They are really colorful floral prints. And we have Rudraksh motifs as well, which is made of golden and silver zari work. And chinna Rudraksh motifs kuda icharu and medium sized Rudraksh motifs kuda icharu. And we have a violet color border. And a red color finishing. And this is the pallu. Beautiful color combination, Andy. And this is the blouse. And the price for this saree is 27,500 is the price. Moving on to the next one. This is our beautiful blue shade, sky blue shade low Kanchipattu saree andi. And we have these floral prints, green color, purple color floral prints icharu, and we also have golden prints on it. Beautiful saree, designed very beautifully, Andy. And we have a self border. Dantlo we have the silver zari work on it. And these prints are silver prints actually, Andy, on these leaves. And this is the pallu. This is the blouse. Price. The price for this saree is 28,500. Next saree chuddam. This is our beautiful yellow color saree andi. Ikkada manaki pink color floral prints icharu and green color leaf prints icharu and golden prints kuda icharu. And we also have small golden zari work lo chinna flower motifs icharu. And we have a self border which is yellow color. And look at this golden zari work. We have golden zari work, peacock motifs, small diamond motifs, and big border this side. And this is the pallu. And blouse vachesi yellow color lo icharu with this big border. And the price for this saree is 28,500. Next saree chuddam. So this is in lighter shade of sky blue color andi. And wow, we have these beautiful pink color floral prints and golden prints on it. Very beautiful color combination. Sky blue lo pink color flowers are like really highlighting beautifully. And we have a small border this side and big border this side, which is made of golden zari work, peacock motifs icharu. And this is the pallu. And blouse is like this. Blue color blouse icharu, same color running blouse with the border. And the price for this saree 28,500. Next saree chuddam. This is in beautiful green color andi. So lighter shade of green color saree lo parrot green color flower prints icharu and pink color kuda icharu. So these are beautiful color prints which is just popping out. And we also have violet shade prints and golden prints kuda icharu. And we have a big border this side, golden zari border, peacock motifs and diamond motifs on it, and a small border this side. And this goes the pallu. And this is the blouse. And coming to the price, this saree is 28,500. Next saree chuddam. This goes in navy blue color saree. And look at this beautiful flower prints. So golden flower prints icharu and green leaf prints icharu. And this side we have a copper zari border, small border. This side we have a big border. Peacock motifs icharu, copper zari border icharu. And this is the pallu. And this is the blouse. And coming to the price, this saree is 28,500. Next saree chuddam. This is a lighter shade of sky blue color andi. Look at these beautiful floral prints. So these are in beautiful pink color andi. So blue look, pink color flowers are just shining, popping out beautifully. We also have this outline of golden prints on this flowers. We have a self border which is made of silver zari. This side we have a big border. and this is the pallu. And we have a violet color blouse with silver zari big border. And the price for this saree is 28,500. 28,500. Next saree. This is a beautiful orange color kanchi pattu. We have leaf prints on it in beautiful green color and purple color. So we have a big border this side, golden zari border, peacock motifs and diamond motifs on it, and a small border this side. And this is the pallu. And blouse is like this, running red, orange color blouse with big border underneath. And the price for this saree is 28,500. So next saree chuddam. This is our next green color saree. We have beautiful prints here, violet color and pink color prints. We have big border this side and this is the pallu. And this is the blouse. We have a violet color blouse, silver color border, silver zari border. And the price for this saree is 28,500. Next saree chuddam. This is a royal blue color saree. We have golden zari work prints andi. So these are beautiful prints on this saree. Bird motifs icharu, flower motifs icharu. And we have a beautiful border, big border this side, and this side we have a small border. We have this peacock motifs and diamond motifs andi, golden zari lo. And this is the pallu. And the blouse is like this. And the price for this saree is 28,500. So for orders, this is the contact number and quickly take a screenshot of your favorite saree and send it to us on this contact number. Our sales team will further assist you for processing your orders, and these are the Google Pay numbers so that you can make the payment online. And we are not just shipping all over India, we are shipping globally as well. So let me show you the next saree. This is a beautiful yellow color kanchipattu saree. We have orange color flower prints and green leaf prints here. Golden prints kuda icharu. And chinna flower motifs golden zari work lo icharu. And we have a big border with golden zari. And this is the pallu. And blouse is like this. Plain blouse icharu. And 8,500. Here goes our next saree in beautiful green color. And we have pink color floral prints. And golden silver prints also on the outline of these flowers. And we have pink color contrast border. Ikkada big border icharu and golden zari work on it. And this is the pallu. And blouse is like this. We have a pink color blouse with big border. And the price for this saree is 28,500. This is our next saree in beautiful cream color andi. And wow, we have beautiful floral prints here. Yellow color flower prints icharu. Outline brown color lo icharu. And we also have green prints on it. Designed beautifully, Andy, and this is a big border. Silver zari work peacock motif, and this is the pallu. And this is the blouse. The price for this saree is 28,500. So this is a beautiful mehendi green color, Andy. Pure kanchipattu, and we have these beautiful prints here. Golden prints icharu and flower prints icharu. And manaki silver and golden zari work lo stripe motifs icharu. And we have a chocolate brown color border. This side we have a big border, very big border, Andy. So this is a pure golden zari work on the border. And this is the pallu. And this is the blouse. Big border. And the price for this saree is no price here. Check now. I'll get back to you on the price, Andy. We'll see the next one. This is a lighter shade of blue color. And we have beautiful flower prints, pink color flowers and green color leaf prints icharu. And we have this beautiful golden prints also on it. And we have a big border, Andy, with golden zari work. So we have elephant motifs and peacock motifs on the border. And this is the pallu. And blouse is like this. Big border on the blouse. And the price for this saree is 28,500 only. This is our next saree in beautiful pink color. And we have beautiful flower prints, and you can see green color, pink color flower prints and leaves also. And we have a small border this side and a big border this side. Peacock motifs icharu and diamond motifs icharu, golden zari work lo icharu. And this is the pallu, Andy. And this is the blouse. And the price for this saree, 28,500. This is our next saree in beautiful yellow color. And we have these beautiful flower prints and also golden zari work. So green color, leaf prints icharu, pink color flowers icharu, and chinna golden zari work kuda icharu. And we have a small border this side and a big border this side. Beautiful peacock motifs and diamond motifs, golden zari work on it. And this is the pallu. And blouse is like this. And the price for this saree is 28,500. Here goes our cream color saree here, pure kanchipattu. So we have these beautiful flower prints in yellow color, and manaki ikkada finishing silver print lo icharu. We also have green color leaf prints on the leaf. And this is a beautiful border, silver zari work, peacock motifs and diamond motifs on it. And this is the pallu. And blouse is like this in cream color with big border. And the price for this saree is 28,500. So we are not only shipping all over India, Andy, we are shipping internationally as well. So anybody from anywhere can order from Mugdha. We will be happily there to do the shipment. So let me show you the next sari. This is a beautiful green color kanchipattu sari andi, and ikkada manaki beautiful flower prints icharu, pink color flower prints and gold touch up, and we also have green leaf prints on the leaf part, and we have a big border in pink color, golden zari work on the border, mango motifs, diamond motifs, zigzag motifs kuda icharu, and this is the pallu, and this is the blouse. So this is the last sari from Kanchipattu collection as of now, and this is the blouse, and the price for this sari is 28,500. So that was the last sari. So that's all for now from beautiful Kanchipattu collections andi. So that's all for now from beautiful Kanchipattu collection. I will soon get back to you with some more beautiful collections, Adi. I just want to quickly give you a very good news. That is, we are opening a new store at Banjara Hills Road number 2. So which is very exciting for all of us. And because of this evolving COVID situation, we are taking care of precautionary measures. So with the interest of everyone's safety, so we are maintaining our digital temperature. We are wearing face masks. We are maintaining social distancing. We are using hand gloves very well. So we would not leave anywhere, any point of our safety. So that's all for now from Preeti Singh Rajput. I will soon get back to you with some beautiful collections. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.